Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a video on how to use the 570 MS calculator to perform factorization. Okay, now when we say factorization, I'm talking about, say you're given x squared plus 6x and then minus 27. Okay, now of course when we factorize, what we'll get is we'll expect to get two brackets. Okay, two brackets. So how do we use the calculator to perform this factorization? Okay, so first we will need to press the mode button. I have to press this mode button 3 times. Okay, so I press 1, 2, 3, and then you'll get EQN, where there's the number 1 below that. So I go ahead and press 1, and we're going to ignore the unknowns here, so we're going to press the right arrow right here. Okay, and that will show now degree. So the degree will be 2 because the power number is 2. So go ahead and tap 2. So we have A. Okay, now this is because every quadratic equation comes with A, B, and C. Okay, because the general form is ax squared plus bx plus c. Right? So A is basically the number in front of the x squared, but right now in this equation I've got no number. Well, that simply means the number here is actually 1. Okay, so this number is 1. The B number here is positive 6. The C number is negative 27. So let's tap those numbers into the calculator. So A number is 1, then press equal. B number is 6, again equal. C number is negative, don't forget negative, and then 27. And then go ahead and tap equal. Alright, so what the calculator does is it gives us two values. So you can see x1 is equal to 3. So I'm going to go ahead and write that, x1 equal to 3. And if I tap equal to again, now we get x2. So I'm going to write it down, x2 equal to negative 9. So what this means is that these two values are the answers for x, but we want to factorize, which means we want them to be in the bracket. So think of it this way. When the number is a positive number, if I take that number and I place it back into the bracket, it becomes the opposite. In other words, instead of x3, I'm going to write in the bracket x minus 3. That's one factor. And this is negative 9. So instead of negative 9, I'm going to go ahead and write x plus 9. Okay, so those are the two factors in the brackets. And 3, negative 9, those are the answers. Okay, that's 1. However, we may encounter some questions where we may only have one bracket, or the possibility of getting the x numbers as fractions. So let's have a look at a different question. Okay, let's say now you're given x squared minus 8x and then plus 16. Okay, so same process. I do not need to repeat the calculator steps again. I just press AC to go back to A. So you see A number here is 1, B number is negative 8, and C number is 16. So I'm going to go ahead with 1 for A, press equal. B is negative 8, so negative 8 and then equal. C number here is 16, so 1, 6 and equal. Alright, now notice this time we only have the display showing us x equal to 4. Not x1, not x2. So what this means is that we have got two values actually, and they are both the same. So x equal to 4. Now, of course, when we factorize, we expect to get two factors, in other words, two brackets, okay? But because we have got x equal to 4, this means that both numbers in these two brackets will be the same. So 4, in the bracket, I'm going to write x minus 4, and that is also x minus 4. See how that works? Okay, so two same brackets because you've got equal roots or equal answers. All right. Hi guys, this video is on the Casio FX570EX. And of course, I'll be showing you guys how to do quadratic factorization on this calculator, right? So let's start with the questions here. These are the same questions I've used in my earlier videos. Please have a look at those to get a better understanding of how to put those numbers into the brackets correctly, okay? So this is going to be a very quick and brief video just to show you guys how to work this calculator. So first, menu. You see we've got a brand new set of icons over here. To enter into the factorization function, we press alpha, that's over here, alpha. And then A is over here. You can see it's also a negative button. So that's alpha A. And we are looking for number 2, polynomial. So number 2. The degree, of course, is 2 for quadratic factorization. So that's 2. Okay. Then those are the empty spaces we have to fill in. So first one, A is 1, B is 6, and C is negative 27. So I type 1 equal B is 6. So 6 equal to negative 27. Hang on, that's negative 27 equal to, and equal to again. So I get 3. Okay. So this means my first bracket would be x minus 3 equal again, I get negative 9, which means x plus 9. Okay. Now again, if you guys are confused about how I use this or put the numbers into the bracket, please watch the previous video to get a better understanding of that. Alright, so now I type AC again for the second question. A is 1, so 1 equal. B is negative 8, so negative 8 equal. C is 16, so 1, 6, and then equal. Okay, equal one more time. I get 4, but this time there's only x. There's no x1, there's no x2, which tells us that both brackets happen to be the same. They're both in the same number, but because the number is 4, I'm going to write x minus 4 and x minus 4. Okay, I forgot to mention earlier that those two are the same brackets, which means I can also write this way, x minus 4 bracket square. Okay, that's